Hey everyone, we are going to do an injection pour today. I did one Monday night, it was pretty cool, so I thought I will share it on the channel as well. So we don't need a very big cup because this only holds 2 ounces and I'm not going to do it twice. I did it twice on Monday night and it was just a little too much color, but it's beautiful. So we do want to use our regular pouring white with this one because we don't the base paint is too thin to go with our pouring paint, so we won't get that flow of paint together. So that's all I'm going to put in there. That should be enough to cover the canvas. Alright, let me spray this little cup here with some WD-40 silicone spray. And this is in the black can, not the blue can. Alright, so I'm doing greens today with a little hint of gold and black with it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start with just a little bit of black and follow that with the Folk Art metallic turquoise. And then a little bit of gold, some mint from Lucas, the Grumbacher Phthalo Green, and the Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green. And I think I'll go back with a touch of black and some more of that metallic turquoise. And I think that's about, well, let me give it a little bit of gold. That's about all that little syringe is going to hold, so we are going to go from there. This does have a cap on the bottom. These are medical ones, so we're going to do a dirty pour inside of it instead of just putting layers of color. I actually could have made a little bit more. Let's do that. A little bit of gold, a little bit of black, metallic turquoise, phthalo green, and some mint. And I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. That's better. You don't want a ton of color. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. And then, of course, we have paint in the cap already, which is cool. So I'm going to go ahead and take that cap off. And I'm going to stick that down in the white. And I'm going to shove that color in there. Sound effects are free. Alright. Flip the canvas over and flip our cup. And I did not spray this cup. My bad. I forgot. So we're going to let that settle down. It's a fun pour to do. We had fun with it Monday night. While that's doing that, I'm putting my paint away. Okay. So I'm just going to do it just like a flip cup. It's the oohs and the ahs we got Monday night. Ooh, cool. I'm going to go ahead and torch it. Get some air out of there. And then we're just going to tilt. And all that color should open up. I'm going to just round it out first. This way you can see where all your white's going. And it gives us the opportunity to pour some of that white off of that side when we come back. But you get a lot of great webbing and lacing when you do these. And I'm going to go ahead and let that just come to the edge. I do want to leave a little bit of white there. That's pretty cool. I have a pretty hand. I don't normally work with greens, but I did so many other videos with purples and other colors today, so I thought, well, let's do a green one. Go ahead and torch and see what else we can bring up. So all those paints that I used did have silicone in them. Including the white. That's pretty cool. That's gonna look great when it's dry, because there's so many different shades of green. So if you're new, click that subscribe button while you're watching and hit that bell so you'll be notified when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse with Christina Welch. Join my art page, Christina Welch Art, on Facebook. If you're new to pouring and you're looking for supplies, check out my Amazon link below. We have everything in our shop to get you started. We have the trays and cups and torches, everything's there, even the bottles. And also, if you're looking to purchase paintings that you see on the channel, check out our Etsy shop. I was saying link at the same time. That link is below. If you want to sponsor the channel to help us keep our videos fresh and coming on regularly, that link is below as well. And we have a post office box if you want to send a gadget for Alan to play with on Monday nights. He loves that. And also the Stone Coat resin. We still have our code, $10 off a $95 order using the code POSSE at checkout. And I think that's about all that's below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.